administration or defense and subsidies. Okay, again I'm telling you, if we'll talk about the non-developmental expenditure, so these are the expenditure which does not directly affect the economic and social development of the country. It means these are the expenditure generally done on administration, government administration, law and order, defense, and especially subsidies. Whatever expenditure is done by the government on these heads will be known as non-developmental expenditure. Clear? Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, if we talk about planned expenditure, so as again you can see the word planned, it means whatever expenditure is being planned by the government for the development, again social and economic of the country, is known as planned expenditure. So simply if we talk about the budget, in budget generally whatever expenditure is discussed, that is planned expenditure. Okay, generally it means if the government is planning to make some new roads, new dams, new school buildings, okay, if the government is planning to purchase share of any company, if the government is planning to do some production activity, so all expenditure are developmental expenditure. Again, planned expenditure. Okay, so whatever planned, it means whatever expenditure already planned by the government, that is known as planned expenditure. Clear?
Sir,
Clear to
doubt
all?
again.
Yeah, please ask what is your doubt?
Sir, developmental expenditure और planning expenditure उसके differences कुछ है sir?
उसके differences पूछा है?
हाँ sir, differences.
See, listen to me. If I talk about the developmental expenditure and planned expenditure difference, if we talk about, so there is no difference. Why? Because or we can say there is a slight difference. How can I will tell you? See, if we talk about the developmental expenditure, as I told you, whatever economic and social development is required in the country, it may be development of road, it may be development of transportation, it may be development of agriculture, development of industry. Okay, if all these expenditure is planned by the government in their budget, so that will also be termed as planned expenditure. It means sometimes developmental expenditure may be planned expenditure. Clear or not clear? So generally whatever expenditure is planned by the government are the developmental expenditure, but somewhere government also has to plan for non-developmental expenditure like subsidy. Because if you see in the budget, every year some amount is kept for subsidies. So that is also a expenditure of the government, non-planned expenditure, non-developmental expenditure. Okay, but it is also planned. So here there is a, what should I say, there is a relation between planned expenditure and developmental expenditure. See, what is that? That is whatever development government is trying to do, that expenditure can be planned by the government. At that time, that will be planned expenditure. Clear or not clear?
Understood, sir.
Understood now? Everybody is clear now, bachcho? Because simple thing is that whatever government is going to do in the economy, it may be for development. 8% to the main or core objective is to develop the economy only. Okay, but somewhere non-developmental expenditure also has to do by the government. So whatever the government is doing, that must be planned. That should be planned in the budget. Okay, so development and non-developmental expenditure both can be planned. Okay, but sometimes it happens that government does not plan for expenditure. It means some, what should I say, some contingency or what should I say, some कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि कुछ चीजें अचानक से आ जाती हैं. Some sudden expenditures are there. जैसे this expenditure, this pandemic expenditure during the natural calamity or pandemic situation. It was not planned by the government, but it is suddenly it came. Okay, so if the plan is not there, and the government has to spend, that type of expenditure is known as non-planned expenditure. Is it clear or not clear? Clear?
Clear है sir.
अभी आपको याद होगा, if I am not wrong, if शायद 2015 और 2005 में यहाँ एक सुनामी, मतलब यहाँ एक बाढ़ आई थी ना चेन्नई में, 2005 और 2015.
सर सुनामी थी सर.
When it was
2005 में या 3 में, 2015 में आई थी.
15. So it was at that time also government has to spend a lots of money to secure the people. That kind of expenditure is known as non-planned expenditure. Is it clear to all? So whatever problems so suddenly came, that came suddenly in front of government, and government has to do expenditure on that, that is known as non-planned expenditure. I hope everybody is clear about planned, non-planned, development and non-development expenditure. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll come to